So continuing on with the binomial theorem and Pascal's triangle, if we wanted to find only the fifth term of this thing here versus having to work it all out, there is a relatively easy way to do it. First of all, we need the ninth row since we're dealing with it being raised to the ninth power. Now you could extend Pascal's triangle out to the ninth row. Not always easy. We could use our calculators. So let's go y equals, and I'm going to type in 9. Then Pascal's triangle is really just different combinations. So I'm going to hit math, arrow over to prob, down to combinations, which is number 3. Then I'm going to type in x. Now I want to go ahead and look at table. Table is second graph. So looking at this, this is what you have for your ninth row in Pascal's triangle without having to write it all the way out. We want the fifth term. Well, this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. So our fifth term in Pascal's triangle of the ninth row is 126. So I'm going to put 126 down. Then I'm going to have a 2a, but the question is to what power? Well, 2a's in the beginning, so this would be a 2a to the ninth here. Then this would be a 2a to the 8th, 2a to the 7th, 2a to the 6th, and 2a to the 5th. So I'm going to have an exponent of 5. Does the fifth term always match up with the exponent here? Not necessarily, so just be careful with that. Do not make that assumption. Now, when we are going back up here, when you looked up here, the exponent of 5, the exponent of 2 add together to give you 7. Exponent of 4, exponent of 3 add together to give you 7. When you're looking at any one term, your exponents always add together to give you the highest exponent that you started out with, which was 7. So down here, our exponent's 9. If this one's 5, the exponent on the 3x has to be 4, because these two exponents have to add together to give you 9. So now you want to work this out. You want to go ahead and try to figure out that number in front. Well, using your calculator, you have a 126, so I'm going to hit quit. And I'm going to go 126, and that's got to be multiplied by this 2 to the 5th. So you could go 2 exponent 5, or you could actually go ahead and go 32, because that's what 2 to the 5th is, times 3 to the 4th. Or you could just type in 81, because 3 to the 4th is 81. And that's how you get that number that's in front. So if you're looking for any particular term, that's what you want to do. Try to quickly do this one here without watching the video, and then watch the video quickly. So we're going to start off with the first or fourth row. So we have a 1, a 4, a 6, a 4, and a 1. Then we'll have our 2x to the 4th, 2x to the 3rd, 2x to the 2nd, 2x to the 1st. Then we'll take our negative 3y to the 4th, negative 3y cubed, negative 3y squared, negative 3y, and then we'll work this out. Now this 4 applies to the 2, so that's a 2 to the 4th, which is 16. Here we have a 2 cubed times a negative 3 times a 4, so we get a negative 96 x cubed y. Here we have a 2 squared, a negative 3 squared, and a 6. Here we have a 4, a 2 to the 1st, and a negative 3 cubed. And then we'd have a negative 3 to the 4th, along with that y to the 4th.